Hi YouTube, Mike Beckett here. So it's Friday, the 5th of September. Tomorrow is the YouTube party. Just on my way home. And I'll be in Tokyo tomorrow for 2 days. Well, to be exact, till probably the end of Monday actually. Yeah, I booked a hotel for a couple of nights. So yeah, I'm enjoying myself. This is my little holiday to myself in Japan. The YouTube party. And so if you're in Tokyo, I'll see you tomorrow maybe. And if you're not, don't worry if there's no videos for a couple of days. There might be one or two short ones as I wander around Shibuya or something. But one has to be careful around Shibuya apparently recently because of dengue fever. So my wife's already said she's already ironed the long sleeve shirts. So I apologise if I sweat profusely, but yeah, better back than dengue fever apparently. Anyway, see you guys. Bye.